Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Ponnuri. In today's video, we will make different types of Christmas trees with stained glass effect just by using a simple plastic sheet, also known as OHP sheet. We will make these in a different way instead of making them in a regular manner so that we can use them as a festive decor as well as a regular decor in our houses. So, shall we see the materials required? In my previous videos, we used these plastic bottles to make Dreamcatcher, Santa and the Christmas tree. To make your job easy, this time I tried these plastic sheets which are also known as OHP sheets to make the decor. And these plastic sheets are easily available in any local craft or stationery shops. Each plastic sheet costs around 8 rupees to 10 rupees. And we need only 2 to 3 sheets to make the decor which we are going to make. So let's get started. This is the triangle which you are going to draw on the plastic sheet. Mark 3 dots on the plastic sheet and join the dots with the help of a ruler to get perfect lines. The dimensions of the triangle are 6 centimeters is the base, 15 centimeters are the sides. I am giving you the size just to have an idea. You can make in any size, but the triangle should be a taller triangle. You need to draw one more triangle of the same size on the plastic sheet. Cut both the triangles using a regular scissors. Draw a line at the center of the triangle which is dividing the triangle into 2 equal parts and cut the triangle along the line. Make outlines on all 3 triangles using Fevicryl 3D outliner. Here I am using metallic copper color. Now draw a line at the center of the big triangle and start filling the triangles with Fevicryl glass color. Here I got this green color by adding few drops of sea blue in golden yellow. Always remember that before filling the glass colors, the 3D outliners should be completely dry. After the glass colors gets completely dried, turn the triangle over and make the outlines on the other side using 3D outliner. Now coming to the important and crucial step. Draw a line at the center of big triangle which we marked previously using 3D outliner. Now hold the triangle in your hand, turn it over and draw a line on the same center line using 3D outliner. Here be careful handling the triangle as the 3D outliner is wet. Now make the triangle stand. Stick the straight side of the small triangle to the center line. Stick the other small triangle also the same way. Before leaving it for drying, make sure it is standing properly. That means not leaning to one side. Now you must have understood that the 3D outliner acts as a glue here. So this is the final outcome of the Christmas tree. Similarly, you can make these trees in different sizes and different colors. Just by keep adding different colors in white glass color, you can get different shades of green color. First, add few drops of crystal green in white glass color to get light green. Then Add yellow to it to get yellowish green, then add sea blue to it to get parrot green, and then add little brown to get mehendi green. So by adding different colors in different ratios, you can get as many as the new beautiful colors. I just want to share with you all how I try and test all the possibilities to display the decor in a best way. So here also I place the trees on top of the cardboard box, which is a phone box what I am having, and place the fairy lights around it. It is looking nice, but I felt that fairy lights should be placed below the trees for a better effect. So for that I placed a plastic sheet, that is a OHP sheet, above two boxes, and then placed the trees on top of the plastic sheet and kept the fairy lights below the plastic sheet. I think this is the better effect than the previous one. I just searched around for a transparent box, and I got this empty acrylic box and placed these fairy lights inside it and placed the Christmas trees on top of it. But I just want to check the other way of the lights not to be seen. So I kept this acrylic box inside the phone box and then placed the Christmas trees on top of the plastic box. I feel this is the best way, and finally, yes, I am satisfied. Generally these phone boxes come with a neat surfaces, so here also we don't have to paint the boxes as they are having a nice color. So instead we will make some snowflakes design on the boxes using Fevicryl 3D outliner. Here we will make another type of Christmas tree. For that, draw the design on the plastic sheet and cut it as you are seeing in the video. Now we will make a geometrical pattern inside the triangle, and then we'll make all the outlines using the 3D outliner. Now we will fill glass colors, and this is going to be very interesting as we are going to mix two colors to get different shades of colors. In Fevicryl glass colors, you get only one shade of green, which is crystal green. First we'll fill the triangle with crystal green color, and then the next triangle, to get a light green color, first fill the triangle with white and then just add one drop of crystal green and mix the color thoroughly till you get uniform light green. Now to get parrot green, first fill the triangle with yellow and then add just one drop of crystal green. You will get, and then mix it thoroughly. You will get a nice parrot green. Now to get dark green, fill the triangle with yellow and then add one drop of brown and mix it thoroughly. You will get a nice and different shade of green, which is like a mehendi color. For the stem, just fill with brown color. So this is how we can make more number of trees with different geometrical patterns. Sometimes we don't use the full paper roll while making the decor, so these are the pieces which I saved. And to know how to make these paper rolls, you may please watch my previous videos, for which link is given in the description box. Now make a slit in the paper roll and insert the trunk of the tree inside the slit. Now paint the paper roll using Fevicryl fabric color. Now stick the trees inside the slit of paper roll using Fevicryl fabric glue. Now to make the trees stand, we need some base. For that we are using M-Seal here. Coming to the display part, now we are going to learn a new thing, how to make artificial snow. So for that, take little soda bicarbonate, which is also baking soda, and in that add little acrylic white paint and add regular Fevicol and mix it well. After mixing it well, it should look flaky, not lumpy, so add Fevicol accordingly. So now the snow is ready, just place it on the twigs, and we don't require any extra glue to stick the snow, as we mixed it with Fevicol. So when the snow falls, first it falls on the trees and then it falls on the ground, right? So we will add little snow to the trees also. I first made the snow without adding white acrylic paint, but then it turned out little yellowish. So don't skip adding acrylic color to get perfect snow. So this is what art around house is all about. I hope you enjoyed watching my video as much as I enjoyed putting it together. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified about my latest updates. I wish you all a Merry Christmas. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.